Hello, today I brought out Gaymock. We all know that Gaymock doesn't like water, right? When it grows straight like this, it's really pretty. In between, other shoots come up like this. Because there are so many, it droops down. When the main stem is too weak and falls over like this, you should cut it and not water it. You have to wait until it dries. Because when you cut them like this, a white sap-like substance comes out like this. But if you plant it right away, mold can form and it can rot easily because it's hard to adapt. You need to cut it in advance and let it dry a bit. And if you've cut them, you shouldn't water them immediately. You need to let them dry a bit too. Previously, the stem was too weak and grew too thin, which looked unattractive. So I cut the middle. And now there are so many new shoots. Because there are too many of them, they all lack strength. Like with tomatoes or strawberries, when they bear fruit, many flowers bloom. To make the fruit larger, you need to remove some of the flowers. That's the principle. So today, I'm planning to remove all of these. What did I say would come out when you remove them? A white sap comes out. Do you plant this immediately? No, you shouldn't do that. You need to pick it and dry it. So you shouldn't just cut it in the middle with scissors. If you gently hold it with scissors and pull it like this, the core comes out easily. Shall we try it? Instead of just cutting with scissors, if you pull it out like this, it comes out like this. Do you see? If you pull it out straight with your hand, it comes out quite easily. I will remove all of them. It kind of looks like a goblin's club, doesn't it? This part that we removed is the eye. They say it's a dormant bud, and a lot will come out from there. So, it would be great if the plant grows beautifully and sturdily. But if the stem is soft and bends without any strength, you can boldly cut it off. And you can also grow the new shoots from the side like a sunflower. But to grow the plant big and strong like this, you must absolutely withhold water. Withhold water, and these leaves will come out, but do not remove the leaves. Otherwise, the stem will not become woody. For the stem to become woody, the energy and nutrients inside the leaves must be absorbed and drawn down into the stem. Let's let the plant dry out a bit and then repot it together next time. This morning I visited the campus farm. I brought back some seedlings. So today I'm going to plant these cute little friends. As always, place the drainage plate, add a bit of soil and position it first. Since this side is taller and this side is shorter, this is the front. So you plant the flowers in a way that looks pretty from the front. We gently press down the soil with our Academy pack. If you fill the soil too much, it will overflow when you water it. And it doesn't look good either. So it's best to fill the soil to about 80% or 90%. Considering that we'll add gravel later, this amount should be just right. Shall we plant one more? Lay down the drainage plate, add 1 or 2 scoops of soil, and what's next this time? With the geranium? Geranium. It's really cute and pretty. I'll try planting this in the pot where I don't even remember what I planted last year that died. This looks like a 4-season chrysanthemum, but I'm not sure of the exact name. Shoot! One more in yellow. Pop. Press it down gently. Done. So today we repotted the 3 siblings. It's good to grow them in the cute pots for a few months and then move them to slightly larger pots. Today we'll finish with repotting these cuties. Goodbye.